Good morning, everyone. Today, on 28th of February, is the National Science Day. Science Day is an event dedicated to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It serves as an opportunity to inspire creativity, curiosity, and understand the scientific principles that shapes our world. To honor the discovery of the Raman effect by the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman, this day is dedicated to science and technology, highlighting its importance in our daily life and the progress of society. Each year, a specific theme is chosen for the National Science Day to scientific advancement and importance. The importance of science in our day to day life cannot be expressed only through words. So, here we present a small PowerPoint presentation to add more to it, followed by a skit to enhance our knowledge. Thank you.
Good morning. Do you know why are we gathered here? We are gathered here for Science Day celebration. Now, by this PPT, let us understand the importance of science in our daily life.
Do you know why we celebrate National Science Day? National Science Day in India is celebrated on every 28th of Feb to honor the discovery of the Raman effect by the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman.
On this day, we celebrate the wonders of science and technology which has made our life more easier. Science is everywhere.
Now, let's see how science has become a part and parcel of our life. In every aspect of our life, science plays an important role. You know, Danya, I did not complete my homework yesterday.
Why, Anu?
There was no power yesterday.
That's true, Anu. Without power, we cannot do anything. And I don't know how our ancestors survived.
That's all because of our great scientists who made our life much easier.
That's correct. Now we have everything ready-made just because of electricity.
Really, Danya, we can't imagine our life without electricity. Fan, washing machine, grinder, light. Can you guess what is a thing which people cannot live without nowadays?
It's smartphone. Yes, even phones cannot work without electricity.
Not only this, Danya, even automobiles nowadays have become electric. Electricity is completely dominating our life.
Anu, do you know Nehru used to write letters to his daughter Indira Gandhi when he was in jail? It is said that because of that letters only, she became one of the most powerful prime ministers of India.
Oh, you mean to say communication is the key?
Yes.
Thank God. We have so many mediums of communication these days. We are also able to communicate with moon also.
Yeah, Chandrayaan 3. Anu, wow. Because of science, we are able to communicate not only to the people who are living in Earth, but also the people who are in space.
I know. You're talking about Sunita Williams, who is living in space right now.
Yeah.
Science has invented different types of machines and tools that are very useful for us in our daily life. For example, scissors, mailbox, chalkboard, telephone, etc.
Not only this, Anu, but the use of science, humankind have invented different types of machines. One of the greatest inventions is computers.
We all know that our life has become dependent on computer nowadays. Computer has made each and everything in our life much easier. We can see the use of computers in schools, offices, hospitals, colleges, etc.
Anu, you're seeing that medicine uses science in the form of computers, but medicine is itself science. Scientists have invented drugs for many chronic diseases.
So true, Danya. Very recently, when COVID-19 has struck us, many great scientists have invented vaccinations and saved many lives.
Not only vaccines, scientists have invented machines which are used to detect the problems without much efforts.
Oh, now we can't study science only. Earlier, it was only science. But now, it is physical science, chemical science and biological science.
But it's good, right, Anu? Now we can have more benefits of physics, chemistry, biology. See this hinge doors which we have learned through our first chapter. Hinge joint and the doors are the gift to us from the concept of physics. Anu, what is this? What are you doing?
I am showing chemistry is there in our daily life. Formation of oxide. If it happens on metals, we call it rusting or corrosion. But if the same thing happens to food items, we call it rancidity. So only I have lace chips with a lot of nitrogen gas and only little chips. So sad, Nadanya.
Yeah, Anu. But you mean to say by flushing nitrogen gas in chips, it keeps them fresh, or else it becomes soggy.
Earlier, we were talking how science is useful to us. Now, let's see how environmental science is useful to us.
Environmental science is the study of external surroundings and conditions which directly or indirectly affects the living organism.
Back then, Bangalore was called Green City. Now it is called Pollution City. Can you guess why?
Because we have different sorts of pollution.
Yes, because of pollution. The different sorts of pollution are air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. The contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by the physical, chemical, or biological compound is called air pollution. Soil pollution. The contamination of soil with a higher concentration than the human waste produced by human origin is called soil pollution.
Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies with negative impact on the users. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is the propagation of noise with potential harmful effects. Anu, why do you think Bangalore is polluted?
Large population, Danya. Because of large population, which demands more use of natural resources, there is a continuous depletion of natural resources. In a place where 20 families can live, in the name of community, 400 families are living, which is causing abundant use of natural resources. So more population, less resources, which is causing depletion.
It's correct, Anu. I'm scared of summer season, which is coming now. Like the last summer, we may again face water problems. In the name of improvement of life standards, people are sacrificing their health standards. Our health is getting affected through many ways, like headache, fatigue, respiratory illness, cardiovascular illness, nausea, skin irritation, cancer risk are the consequences of pollution.
Is it, Danya? Well, we get so many diseases through pollution. That's why people say to protect Earth. Instead of planting a tree, we should grow a tree. We should use 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce plastics, reuse cloth bags, and recycle paper. We should use more biodegradable products to protect the Earth. Every big journey starts with a first step. Let that first step be ours. Save environment, save life.
You know, Anu, though our ancestors are not scientists, but they have put lots of science behind traditions. Each and every tradition and festivals reflect science, like applying mehendi, using turmeric, wishing through our folding hands, and many more. Now, let's see the science behind the traditions by a small skit. Now, let us all welcome them.
Scene 1.
Hello Tanvir Garu, Namaste.
Namaste Sanjay Garu, how do you do?
We are all fine, thank you.
Sayan, please come here. Sanjay uncle has come to our house. Greet him Namaste. Namaste uncle, how do you do?
We are all fine, thank you. I have come to invite your family to our housewarming next week. Please do come. Now I am leaving. Bye Tanvir Garu, bye Sayan.
Dad, why did you ask me to say Namaste instead of shaking hands? When we join our hands together, the tips of our fingers touch at points, which are known to be the pressure points for our eyes, ears and mind. Pressing them together activates the pressure point, which help us to remember that person long time can avoid the spread of germs through the physical contact which may happen during the handshake. Wow, Dad, there is so much science behind Namaste.
Scene 2.
Mom, what are you doing?
Today is a festival, so I am performing a puja to the Tulsi plant.
Mom, why do we worship at this plant? Are there any benefits?
Tulsi plant acts like the Sanjeevani for mankind. It has great medicinal properties and acts as a remarkable antibiotic. So it needs to be taken care by the people. Taking the Tulsi leaves every day in tea increases immunity and help the drinker prevent diseases. Keeping the Tulsi plant in our house prevents the insects and mosquitoes from entering our house.
I will also pray and thank the greasy plant every day from now.
Scene 3.
Mom, what's that in the plate? Yes, dear. Next week we are gonna to attend your uncle's wedding. So, to have a nice glow, I am preparing a natural face pack with turmeric. Oh my god, you mean turmeric is a face pack? I don't like turmeric. Please don't apply that on my face. No, listen child, I am gonna to tell you a few benefits of turmeric which help you to have a nice glow. Turmeric is considered as one of the most crucial skin whitening ingredients in Ayurveda. It is known to reduce dark patches and even out the skin tone. This is why the Hindu wedding follow the tradition of applying turmeric paste to our body and feet. Mom, why should we apply turmeric paste to our body and feet? Turmeric has antibacterial property which kills microbes on the feet and which enters through the cracks prevent further infection. Mom, now I do remember that my teacher was also sharing the benefits of turmeric to our health.
Scene 4.
Hey, have a look at my hands. It's so beautiful. Do you like it?
Yes, of course, it looks so beautiful. Even I love to decorate my hands with mehendi designs. Do you know the benefits of applying mehendi to our hands?
I don't know. Can you explain it to me?
The significance of applying mehendi is to utilize the natural medicinal herbal remedies, cooling the body and relieving the bride of any stress before her big day. Mehendi is applied both to the hands and the feet as a means of cooling the nerves endings of the body, preventing the nerves from tensing up.
Thank you. You have explained it so well. Now I understood the benefits of applying mehendi.
Thank you so much, friends, for enlightening us with all the information about the science behind a few of our traditions. Thank you. Happy Science Day.